Hi, in this video, we'll explore how to wipe code a lead generation tool on your website that will allow visitors to create their own freebie bundles and get them via email later. Once you create a new page, go over to the menu at the bottom and choose Buy Block. You'll get this prompt window where you can just describe what you want in plain language. You can pick which AI model to use, and if you have a reference image, you can upload it here as well. I have described my idea, what it is, how it works, what style I'm going for, and hit generate. Okay, there it is. The mechanics already work, which is great, but I can see that the input field here is way too small compared to the button. One way to edit it is to just click on the element that needs adjusting and hit Edit with AI. Here I'll say something like, make the input match the width of the button so the layout looks proportional. Send that off and done. Looks much better now. And you can tweak any element this way. You don't need to go and dig through code. You can also open the Layers panel, find the element you want to change, and tell AI what to do with it. Like here, I want to add descriptions to each item. I select it, type my prompt, and there we go. Descriptions are in. Now, you can also style things manually through the editing panel. Like here, I want to make the heading bolder, so I will adjust the font weight here. This way you've got both options, prompt or the visual editor. Alright, let's make this thing actually work. I want to collect leads, so I'm going to connect Brevo as my email marketing service. I went over to the site settings, forms, picked Brevo from the list, and pasted the API key. We have a whole guide on that, by the way, so make sure to check it out. Now you can select which data collection service your leads will go to. Check Brevo here. Let me test it. I enter an email, submit, and great, the data went through. But I want to know which items each person picked so I can send them the right stuff. So I use a prompt to add a hidden field that tracks that selection. Now when I check Brevo, I can see exactly what each subscriber chose. That means I can segment my list and set up automations. That actually makes sense. And that's basically it. A working lead magnet built and customized entirely with prompts and a bit of manual editing. If you want to go deeper on the automation side, we've got a full guide on that. The link is in the description.